Tools is what we're all about. Hikoki. 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 Tools is what we're all about.
Hi and welcome back to ITS TV. Today we're here with Robin from Hikoki. As you know, Hitachi have just gone through kind of a rebranding process, moving from Hitachi to Hikoki, and we've got Robin here today to just take us through a bit more about that process and explain, why that's happened and some of the changes. So, Robin, did you just want to sort of start off by explaining, why the change from Hitachi to Hikoki, sure, and what's new and what's changed?
Basically, Hitachi have been around now for sort of 70 years. Right. Hitachi is known globally for things like television, electronics, plant equipment, the bullet train, etc. But never been really sort of seen as a dedicated power tool brand, although it's been part of our business for a good many years. So the decision's been taken to actually break away from the sort of the Hitachi side of things and be reborn as a sort of power tool brand. So hence Hikoki. Globally it was Hitachi Koki, so we've just incorporated it and made it Hikoki. And now with that sort of thing, the emphasis is going to be clearly on power tools, and that's what we'll be known for, rather than all these other diverse products that the company has been involved with in the past.
I think that makes sense. So just to clarify, the old Hitachi power tools that some of our customers might already have, they still be compatible with the new batteries and any of the new technology?
Absolutely no changes whatsoever. The power tools will be exactly the same. The same sort of quality and reliability that people sort of know our tools for is still there. The manufacturing's the same. We've got some new products, and you've heard about like MultiVolt, etc. And that's where we're moving forward with new products under the new branding. We wanted to talk a little bit about the MultiVolt system, the new MultiVolt system from Hikoki. So, Robin, I wondered if you could just sort of give me an introduction. I personally don't have a great understanding of what it is, so maybe you could just go through what it is. MultiVolt, basically, battery has two cells. You've got 36 volt and 18 volt. At 36 volt, it's 2.5 amp hour, and on 18 volt, it's 5 amp hour.
Right.
The idea being that it's giving you the flexibility of sort of mains voltage, with the freedom of obviously cordless. The battery actually, when placed into a multi-volt tool, you recall earlier I mentioned about a new range of tools. So we've launched a whole range of multi-volt tools, which these batteries are compatible with, which make them 36 volt. The battery is also back compatible, so anybody who's got a Hitachi combi drill, etc., the battery will fit that, but it automatically then becomes an 18 volt tool.
Okay.
I can actually show you an example.
So do you have to switch that on the battery, or does it just
Absolutely
know?
not. The Contact is an intelligent battery. Right. It knows what tool it's in. So if it's placed into a multi-volt tool, it automatically knows that it's 36 volt. If you place it into an 18 volt tool, it reads the battery and the tool, and it knows that it's an 18 volt tool.
And the benefit of the higher voltage is being able to run more powerful tools, right? So your SDS drills and
high output tools, sort of like circular saws and so on. That are, it's going to give you longer running time. You're going to have more power. So basically you've got that increased power that you would have for the reason that you'd be using a corded tool. I can give you an example. For example, this is for people who've obviously got Hitachi power tools and are concerned maybe that the batteries are not going to fit.
So these new multi-volt batteries will work with old Hitachi power tools,
Absolutely,
is that right?
Yeah. It's all back compatible. So, as you see, it's the Hitachi combi drill. Actually, I should actually put that up and then demonstrate that that's the 5 amp hour Hitachi battery. If I place the 36 volt battery in, as you see, completely compatible, it's now 18 volt. Right. If placing a 36 volt multi-volt tool, it'll be 36 volt.
Okay, and how does the runtime differ against 18 volt tools to 36 volt? Is there a decreased runtime on the more powerful tools?
There is on the 36 volt because it's only 2.5 amp hour. So your increased runtime, obviously, you've got 5 amp hour when you're on 18 volt. It does depend on the application. Different tools draw different amps, so obviously depending whether you're drilling, concrete, wood, metal, etc. For example, if you're using an angle grinder, then obviously it's higher revolutions, it would be using a lot more power. Yeah,
good. And do Hikoki only sell multi-volt batteries now, or do they still sell?
No, the ordinary batteries will be, this is just an introduction to go with the new multi-volt range.
Okay, cool. So what would happen if you were to use the standard battery in a multi-volt tool?
It won't fit.
It won't fit. Oh, is it different? Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Cool. So you can't accidentally plug the wrong battery in.
No.
So Robin, you say that the new multi-volt batteries are back compatible with the older tools.
Yeah.
What's to stop me from accidentally plugging one of my original Hitachi batteries into the newer, more powerful tools and potentially causing some sort of damage?
Yeah, I can show you that. Let's take the battery off of the multi-volt tool. Where the difference is on the multi-volt. The shoe there, where the actual it slides onto the tool, is slightly wider. so it's slightly wider on the standard batteries. On the
Okay.
MultiVolt battery, it's narrower.
Yep.
So if I try now and place your standard battery onto a MultiVolt tool, it won't fit.
Oh, that's not clicking in. Yeah, that won't go in.
Because the shoe on the bottom of the tool
Right. Yeah.
is actually wider than the aperture on the battery.
So the MultiVolt is compatible both ways.
Absolutely. Whereas,
That's clever.
So the idea is that you can't actually do that, you know.
Yeah. That's good. That's a good system to have. Okay, good. Thanks, Robin. So that was just kind of an overview of the new MultiVolt from Hikoki, bringing you more powerful cordless tools. So, you know, it wasn't possible before without this. So you can have your big circular saws and SDS drills are now cordless. Hopefully that gives you a good understanding. If you have any questions, as usual, just let either of us know and we'll be happy to help. Cool.